Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US. May 2025. Weekly Lessons in Quran and Hadith. In April 2025, during his live sessions, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi gave lessons on verses 70 to 85 of Surah Taha. In the Hadith sessions, discussions were held on important topics like takfir of Muslims, the seriousness of the accusation of takfir and the dreams of the Messenger of God. Recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Arabic edition of Misan. Some time ago, the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, US, began translating the works of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi into Arabic to introduce his ideas to the Arab world. This initiative started with the Arabic translations of his books Al-Islam and Makamat. Recently, the Arabic edition of Ghamdi's book Meezan has also been published. The PDF of the Arabic edition of Misan is available online and can be downloaded for free. Islam and the State. Under the Ghamidi Center's ongoing video series discussing 23 objections, the theme of Islam and the State has been under discussion. In the sessions held in April 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi critically analyzed the argument for the enforcement of Sharia based on Amr bil Ma'ruf and Nahi anil Munkar, clarifying the scope of prohibitions and the things considered as munkar. He also discussed laws enacted on the basis of Nahi anil Munkar. Recordings of these sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Online session with Bangladeshi members. In April 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi participated in an online meeting with members of the Ghamidi Center in Bangladesh. The members presented progress reports on translating Tadaburi Quran, Misahan, and the Quran translation Al-Bayan into Bengali. They also discussed various tasks related to publishing the Bengali edition of the monthly magazine Ishraq. The session concluded with members asking Ghamidi scholarly and intellectual questions. Audiobook of Our Children Lost in the Search for Identity. This book Our Children Lost in the Search for Identity by Dr. Irfan Shahzad, a scholar at the Ghamidi Center, is also being presented in audio format. It discusses important points related to child upbringing, encouraging young children toward education, the concept of God in early life, and personality development. The audiobook is being broadcast episodically on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. 26 episodes have already been published. Voice of Research. The series of seminars titled Voice of Research continues at the Ghamidi Center, where researchers and scholars present their work. In April 2025, Dr. Ashfaq Ahmed discussed, Is the Quran a book of science, and answered various questions from the audience. Topics covered included, how did the universe originate, how do galaxies, stars, solar systems, black holes, matter, and dark matter work, does the Quran mention modern scientific discoveries, and which verses of the Quran refer to scientific phenomena. The seminars are held online via Zoom, and interested participants can join live to ask questions. The Commands of Halal and Haram in Sharia. The article The Commands of Halal and Haram in Sharia by Syed Manzoor ul-Hassan explains the rulings of Halal and Haram in Islamic law. He states that the objective of Islam is the purification of the soul, achieved through 4 types of rulings: acts of worship, physical cleanliness, purity in food and drink, and moral purification. Prohibited acts are those that corrupt the soul, actions, or food. Morally, 5 things: obscenities, injustice, unlawful aggression, shirk, and bid'at, are prohibited, while in terms of consumption, for items, carrion, blood, pork, and offerings made in the name of other than God, are forbidden. This article can be read in the April 2025 issue of Ishraq USA. Question and answer with Muhammad Hassan Elias. Hassan Elias, the Ghamidi Center's Director of Research and Communication, has initiated a question and answer program titled Ask Hassan Elias with the popular YouTube channel, Muslim Today. In April, key questions discussed included, why didn't Javed Ahmed Ghamidi condemn the US President's statement on Palestine? What is your view on the decisions made by the Palestinian people? Why was Adam made the first prophet? And, what was the angel's objection to Adam's creation? The recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Safar Dar Safar, with Moise Amjud. In April, under the series titled Safar Dar Safar, Moise Amjud recorded several programs on ethical and intellectual topics. Topics included, Are modern discoveries an obstacle to remembering God, children and the ladder of consciousness, How to improve oneself, and How I was introduced to Ghamidi. The videos can be viewed on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Ask Ghamidi. This monthly online question and answer session allows people to ask Javed Ahmed Ghamidi questions on religious and moral topics. In April 2025, important questions asked included, Is it permissible to take interest-based loans for business expansion? Will non-Muslims receive leniency on the Day of Judgment? Is a khanqa a parallel institution to the mosque? What category do sins of the eyes, ears, and tongue fall into? And, does the reward decrease if the fasts of Shawwal are observed in another month? Recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Quarterly Saelihat. Saelihat is a scholarly and literary quarterly magazine for women published by the Ghamidi Center from Dallas, USA, under the supervision of Hassan Elias and edited by Naeem Baluch, with Wajiha Hassan Wahidi as associate editor. The April-June issue includes an article by Hassan Elias on Zakat and its issues, an article on the Queen of Sheba by Naeem Baluch, and a short story by Noor ul-Huda Shah titled Anoke Mafi. It also features a rare letter from 1949 by Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi written to his wife during his imprisonment. Saelihat is available for free in both PDF and audio versions on the Ghamidi Center's website and YouTube. Understanding the Traditions series. In April 2025, the Understanding the Traditions series covered important topics like the people of the Book and Magians in the Arabian Peninsula, nature and background of the Companions' Jihad, surahs and verses with distinct features, and the reward for reading the Quran with difficulty. These sessions can be viewed on the Center's YouTube channel. Zakat on Jewelry, What is the Islamic ruling? In this article, Muhammad Hassan Elias discusses the differing views among jurists regarding zakat on jewelry. According to the Hanafi school, zakat is obligatory on all jewelry, while Maliki, Shafi, and Hanbali jurists only require zakat on jewelry that is stored for investment rather than used. The article is available in the April 2025 issue of Ishraq USA. Ghamidi Center's online khanqa. The Ghamidi Center's ongoing online khanqa sessions, hosted by Moise Amjud, focus on self-purification and training. Important questions discussed last month included, Is not asking for help a weakness? How much should one defend oneself? The psychological impact of viewing the world as a test, and, Are we getting arrogant unknowingly? These sessions are available for viewers on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Islam Study Circle. Dr. Shehzad Salim conducts a monthly session called Islam Study Circle in English. It is divided into 3 parts: explanation of a Quranic theme, discussion on selected hadiths and analysis of a biblical excerpt. The session concludes with a question and answer. In April, topics included, prophecies about Muhammad in the Bible, avoiding hypocrisy, and avoiding wasting time. Recordings are available on YouTube. Hayat Amin. In the latest episode of Hayat Amin, Naeem Baluch discussed how, after the creation of Pakistan, Amin Ahsan Islahi and the Jamaat-e-Islami leadership faced severe opposition from the Muslim League government over issues like Pakistan's constitutional identity, the Kashmir Jihad, and distancing from the state system. The pressure ultimately led to the passing of the Objectives Resolution, on March 12, 1949, considered by the Jamaat as a foundational step toward an Islamic state. The article can be found in the April 2025 issue of Ishraq US. Ilmo Hikmat, Ghamidi K. Saf. In April 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's weekly programs aired on Dunya News discussed causes of revolt against religious leadership in Europe and the purpose and conditions of jihad. Key questions included, what are the real responsibilities of religious scholars? Why did people move away from religion after the Renaissance? Is the command for jihad directed at individuals or societies, and when does jihad become obligatory? Recordings are available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Foundations of Understanding Sunnah and Structure of the Quran. Dr. Shahzad Salim, as part of the Misahan Lectures series, recorded English lectures on Foundations of Understanding Sunnah, Structure of the Quran, and Historical Background of the Quran. These lectures can be viewed on the Center's YouTube channel. Weekly Question and Answer with Ghamidi. Every week, Ghamidi Center hosts a live question and answer session where Hassan Elias presents various questions to Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. Key topics discussed in April included Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's position on Palestine, sciences derived from the Quran and Sunnah, and sources of the signs of the last day. Recordings are available on YouTube. Dr. Shahzad Salim's lectures on various topics. Each month, Dr. Shahzad Salim records English lectures on religious, ethical, and social topics. In April 2025, topics included spiritual lessons from the Quran, philosophy of prayer, charity, how to lead a happy life, and farewell to Ramadan. These lectures are available on the Center's YouTube channel. Issuance of fatwa based on religious opinions. The Ghamidi Center receives frequent requests for Islamic legal opinions regarding marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other socio-economic issues. Multiple fatwas were issued last month, authored by Muhammad Hassan Elias in light of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's thought. Ask Dr. Shahzad Salim. Dr. Shahzad Salim also hosts a monthly live question and answer session where participants can ask questions in either Urdu or English on various religious, ethical, and social topics. Recordings are available on YouTube. Eid Gathering at Ghamidi Center. An Eid Gathering was held at the Ghamidi Center after Eid prayers. Along with local community members, Ghamidi Center and Al-Mawrid US staff, their families, and some board and general body members participated. Teaching of Al-Bayan in English. Dr. Shahzad Salim is teaching Ghamidi's Quran commentary Al-Bayan in English for the benefit of English-speaking audiences. In April 2025, he covered verses 1 to 35 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. Recordings are available on the Center's YouTube channel. God's Expectations from Us. An online course titled God's Expectations from Us is set to commence on May 8, 2025, under the auspices of the Ghamidi Center. The course will be conducted under the supervision of renowned scholar Amir Yazdani and will be held every Thursday at 9 p.m. Central U.S. time via Zoom. Each session will last for an hour and a half. This 6-week course is based on the Farahi school of thought and Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's approach to understanding the Quran. Its aim is to provide access to the true spirit of religion through a direct understanding of the Quran. The course is intended for individuals who wish to understand religion directly through the Quran and is open to both Muslims and non-Muslims. The medium of instruction will be English. The course fee is set at $49.99. Interested individuals can register through the Ghamidi Center's website.